Hello YouTube, it's Kurt with Ohio Gentleman Arms, and today I'm going to do a little EDC update. Really not much has changed. I got a new pocket knife that I carry at work. This is the SOG Kilowatt. It's got cable strippers, wire strippers. It's a pretty handy little knife. And the blade's really good. It's made in Taiwan, so it's not one of their American jobs, but still pretty quality steel. Been pretty happy with it. I beat the crap out of stuff, and for it to have a tip on the end of it still, you can tell it's hard. Good stuff. So that's been pretty good. Pretty good knife. I always carry the Micro Stream. It's rechargeable. This is my favorite flashlight. This is a Gerber. I got it for Christmas. This is what I carry when I'm not working. It's a lot lighter. It's got aluminum frame and really sharp steel. I'm pretty happy with that. Carry this in my pocket. It's a little Klein stubby multi. It's got a 5/16 1/4-inch flathead and Phillips. That thing's pretty. It's handy. I always have that in my coat pocket. I don't carry it in the summertime if I got gym shorts on. And then my Leatherman rebar. This is, I think, the most practical one. It's got a saw, bottle opener, Phillips screwdriver, file, flathead screwdriver, awl, knife, pliers, wire cutters, strippers. And then if you go like this, you can make a roller. You got real measurements on this side, and then I don't know, something CM. I'm not sure what those are. Some kind of foreign stuff. Keys for at home, my truck key. Keys for at work, my van key. Wallet. If I feel like there's going to be some kind of trouble, I'll take the old Glock 19 because it's like the old friend. Just fits in the hand right. Compare every other gun to it. And then this guy, lately I've been carrying a little bit. The Hellcat. I'm pretty impressed with it. It's a lot lighter, a lot slimmer. I mean, look, in profile wise, takes up a lot less in your pants. So I have found the value of a lighter gun. And the real reason for doing this update is I got a new belt. They sent me a little package, put the belts in, some buckles. I guess I'm gonna get it to the right size. And then 2 belts. A brown and a black. So I'll be checking them out. Another buckle. Yep. So thanks, Bretta. I'll give you guys a idea what I think about them. I'm sure they're fine. They're probably pretty good things. But if you guys like this stuff, this kind of video, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Comments really help. Let me know what you think about my EDC, what you have in your EDC, and maybe we can learn from each other. Thanks. We'll see you next time.